AI has brought high-level VFX to your doorstep. KLING lets you create professional and high-level VFX shots for your projects. For instance, this one where I turn my dog into Stitch. The only problem is that the quality and resolution of these clips aren't always high enough, or you might need to improve their clarity to use them for actual projects. However, with the Video Enhancer AI feature of the UniConverter, we can enhance these videos to a higher resolution, which will make them much more usable. Later you'll need the UniConverter, so in case you don't have it yet, be sure to get it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. The first thing is creating the video with KLING AI. So here is the video of my dog being super cute. I will want to turn him into Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. So first of all, I go into the video mode and choose multi-elements and swept mode. Here I select the dog and upload this image of Stitch being in a similar position to him. Next, I write the prompt here. And finally, I generate the video. As you can see, it's crazy how it swept it, while including my hand in the video as if I was petting Stitch in real life. To me, this is absolutely mind-blowing, as I know the process of doing this manually, not that I could do it, because it requires a lot of expertise and man and computer power. So now what's left is enhancing this clip with the UniConverter. Open up the UniConverter and click on the Video Enhancer AI from the home interface. The tool supports batch enhancement in case you have multiple clips to work on. You will also need AI credits that you can buy separately or get them with one of the subscription packages. One of the features you can use is the quality restoration feature that's made for enhancing the clarity and overall sharpness of the image. However, I'd like to upscale this clip as well, so I'll use the face enhancement feature, with which I can give it a 2x or 4x super scale as well. I'll use that feature and a 2x upscaling. So once you have selected the enhancement mode, choose an output folder and click on Export All. A green success sign will appear on the clip once it's finished processing. Now this video can be used on larger screens and in higher resolution projects. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.